Morning. Wife's just gone to boot camp at 5:30, 5:45 in the morning. Yeah, still keep looking at the paintwork, looking at different bits, seeing if I've missed anything, done something wrong. But yeah, after doing painting every 6 months, I feel I'm getting better. Anyway, last couple of days have been manic, just family stuff. Haven't managed to get out here at all. So yeah, I got up early before work because I won't have time after work to do a video, because by the time I get home I should be uploading a video or should be releasing it. So yeah, let's get up early. Why not? I said to myself. Cold as well. I need another cardigan because I pulled this one out from somewhere. I don't even know if it's mine or not. Could be the doors. Anyway, what I'm going to just do is get some bits ready, just so we're ready for the next video. I know what I'm doing. Maybe have a little bit of a tidy up. Go get the subframe, the front subframe, see what we need to do with that. And a few other bits. So yeah, let's go get that. Hey, silent coat. I'm just going to get this out just so I can see what I'm doing. There's some instructions there that if you want to read it properly, well, maybe not instructions, it tells you how it works. So yeah, from the sand deadening shop. Just gone with 2mm stuff. I think they do thicknesses up to all sorts. Fairly easy stuff. And we just will work out how to lay it. What's best? So yeah, I won't actually stick it in on this one. I need a little bit more time. I can't remember how I did it last time. Some people, I don't know how to do it. Some people, I didn't do it over the tunnel last time. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I need to go too berserk. I've seen a few people now. Oh god, sorry. Go completely berserk, so you don't even see any of the floor. You know, you lay the damn thing out. Even though the lack of fraction, you know, it's all gone. You know, just whoosh. And obviously it has more of an effect. You know, more you put in there, obviously it's going to have a bit more of an effect. But whether it sort of increases it by that, you know, helps that by that much. So I might go spirally. This is the dodo mat that's going to go in the roof. Again, it's sticky stuff, but it's like, I don't know, 6-7mm thick matting, and that's going to go on the roof. I'm going to cover that right over. Gets rid of the things. I'll have a think of that. What do you think? I don't think I need to go berserk. If I'm only just, I think I'm going to stick an 850 back in it. So I've got to be careful of not adding too much weight. It's not going to bloody go anywhere. But yeah, we'll do the inner wings, rear panels, floors, back seats, bulkhead area. Yeah, that's good. Alright, what do you think of that? Give me your views on sound deadening. As I said, I don't think we need to go too berserk. I'm not going to put any big speakers and basses and amps in there or anything silly like that. It's just to get rid of a little bit of the droning noise, which minis can do. Make it a little bit more solid. Some people say don't put it in there because it's a water trap. But I don't think these cars will ever go see the water much anymore. Don't know when this thing's going to be restored next. Oh, I need to seriously get some of these parts on the car. Front subframe. What else we got? We got bolts down there. We've got some knuckle joints. We've got the suspension arms. Look alright. I'm not just touching a little bit up there with a little black thing. Spray paint. I'm not doing that. Not doing that at all. Matthew. Yeah. 2 suspension arms. We got. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go, Matthew? A second ago. We had. What else do we need? 2 spacers to go on the subframe. Got the subframe bolts somewhere. Subframe bolts. What did Matthew do with the subframe bolts? There we go. I found them. So we bought a nice stainless steel subframe bolt kit a while ago, and surprisingly, still managed to find the bolts and not lost them. So that's them. Put them in the box, ready for later. And I'm missing the cones and the rubber balls. Let's have a quick look at them. Cones, sandblasted, they're aluminium. So people don't normally paint them. But this is entirely up to you, as I said. Most people don't normally paint them. I think you can even polish them up if you want to make them bloody chrome with aluminium. Alright, I've lost my rubber balls. Still not found my rubber balls, but I have found the plates that go on top. Not the best condition, but they do. I think they're mainly for covering the hole with the old grommets, so we'll put the old grommets back in for now. They can easily be replaced later on. Rubber balls come bouncing back to me. Found 1 rubber ball. Oh, I found 3 actually. I found the 2 rear ones as well, which technically they are exactly the same. But obviously I don't know if they've been on the car for ages, but the car was sitting fairly level when I got it, so I find it sometimes just easier just to put the fronts back in the front and backs back in the back, just because there is a different weight of the car, so they can squash a little bit differently over time. It's not the end of the world either, but you know, it's just I wasn't going to bother putting high lows back on this, just putting standard cones back in. Alright, 1 more minute trying to look for my lost ball, and then we're there. You wouldn't believe it, but the tripod of the camera was sitting in the base of it. So that's where I found it. So yeah, excellent. We've got everything there now to finish off this. Well, what we're going to do is not finish off the subframe, but at least get the top arms in, because as I said, they're a lot easier to pop in while the subframe's out. And then what we can do is bolt the subframe in. So that is definitely our next thing. We've got all the bits ready. So it's not a highly exciting video, but a half-hour of prep this morning just saves us half an hour of prep in the next video. And you guys just love to know what I've managed to not get done in 1 day. Again, thanks for all the positive feedback on the paint job. I am pretty pleased with it. As I said, can't wait to try and attempt the thing. And as I said, people have said it is a tiny garage, so you can only do your best. And yeah, entered with the giveaway. Should say that on the community tab as well. I've said about whether I should be doing a giveaway car soon or start on the pickup. Pretty much both people said either finish the pickup or give up your job and do both. So there's only like 10% said do the giveaway car, so you guys aren't too bothered at the moment about the giveaway car. So I will go with your opinion on this time for the moment. We'll just crack on with the old pickup after this, and we'll get to the giveaway car when and if we can. Well, we will can. But anyway, have a good Wednesday evening. Hopefully a bit more productive tomorrow. We can get this subframe in. Wish me luck. Bye bye everyone, bye bogeys everyone. I don't even know what it is for tea tonight. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I haven't had the argument with the wife yet to work out what we're having for tea. I'll let you know tomorrow.